Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you this wig from Luvme Hair. It is their Sugar Plum Deepwave headband wig, and I wanted to show you guys the lovely box that it comes in. And inside the box it comes in this nice little cute bag. Now I wanted to show you guys what the hair looks like straight out of the box. I literally haven't touched it, washed it, or anything. The curls look super defined. Now inside the box comes a wig cap along with some headbands. They're all cheetah print. One is light, this one is kind of dark, and then the other one is like a blue color. So I went ahead and washed the hair off camera. This is what the hair looks like when it is slightly damp, and I wanted to show you guys the construction of the wig. This is the front of the headband that is stitched in. It doesn't come off, and on the inside it comes with 4 combs, no adjustable straps, but they do have these Velcro straps at the bottom so that you can tighten the wig to your tailored head size if you need to. I typically have a small head, so these wigs typically fit pretty nice on me. So now I'm just going to go ahead and put the wig on and adjust it in the back and make sure it's nice and tight. This is what the wig looks like when it's on. I also wanted to mention you can use my code Selenia20 to get 20% off. Now this is the first headband that I showed you guys in the beginning, and this is the second one. The cheetah print is so cute, and I love this blue one. To be honest, it probably would have to be my favorite, but now I'm just going to show you guys some different hairstyles that you can wear with this wig. And that is it, you guys. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching.